Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today I'd like to discuss how to use your voice. So, we know that there are some people who just can't understand. They maybe have some type of disability. We know that there are people who are not well educated. There are people who just don't get it. They don't understand. And we know that there are people who are highly educated. Maybe they are very worldly and understand many languages and have a lot of knowledge and wisdom. However, if your knowledge, your vocabulary is beyond the person, the crowd that you're trying to reach, then I must tell you, that is not a sign of intelligence. It is not a sign that you have great communication skills. It means that maybe there is something lacking in your presentation. So I would say, in the case of speaking to others, in the case of presenting your case, expressing your ideas, it is better to lower your vocabulary, not to dumb it down, but to simply say what it is you have to say on a person's level. A person who can communicate on another person's level, irregardless of their intelligence, their age, their experience and understanding. If you can communicate and be understood by the simplest terms, then you are using your voice correctly. Now, when speaking, there are two things that you must understand. When you are speaking to someone, you must speak not only in terms that the person understands, but you must speak clearly, directly, meaning face the persons you are speaking to. If there are more than one person, meter your speech. That means slow it down so that you can face all those who you're communicating with. If you see that they have questions, they're not sure what you mean. Maybe they haven't verbalized it. Maybe they can't even verbalize what it is they don't understand. Then it is up to you as the communicator to take your time to reiterate in more understandable terms. Speak truthfully, meaning don't embellish, don't stretch it out and make it seem more important than it is. Speak clearly, truthfully. The simplest terms are the best terms. So when you communicate and you are using your voice effectively, breathe. Inhale. When you use your verbs, your pronouns, nouns, adjectives, make sure that they are clearly heard and understood. If you just say what it is that you have to say and you don't speak clearly, then you're not communicating effectively. You're not using your voice effectively. It is so much better to speak simply, truthfully, directly and in the simplest terms for your audience. Even if you have an audience of very highly intellectual people, there can be unusual meanings, unusual understandings of certain terms. So it is better to keep it simple. Even if the people you are talking to think, oh, well, why is he saying it so simply? We understand all of these exotic terms, but there may be one person or two people who are not as well educated, as well versed in this subject. So, if you can communicate to the entire audience and be understood, you are communicating effectively. So, how do you use your voice? Do you speak in highly educated terms, or do you speak simply and clearly? I'd like to hear your ideas, your understandings in the comments below. Please subscribe to this channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so that you know when new videos are uploaded. And by all means, like and share this video. I'm Ezechi Ade, and I thank you for your participation in this Divine Light program. Thank you for helping to create paradise on earth. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Namaste.